So Greenpoint is a solution that where a DIY person or a technician would put a tracker like this on an air handler unit, typically in an attic space or maybe down in the basement. And 6 sensors that are non-invasive, so they're not hard to connect. And it tracks the data on your system. And with that, it can tell if your refrigerant's low, if there's issues with your outdoor condenser unit, your indoor evaporator coil that transfers the cooling into the air, any component really. And it tells you if there's airflow issues, often the case. And you don't have to be a technician. And if you're a technician, it makes the diagnostics quick and dirty, and you know exactly where to go and what to fix, and fewer callbacks, happier customers, longer maintenance agreements. You can't beat that. Now, as a customer, I don't need to be a technical person. I could get alerts and know when to call my technician. Mission critical sites or IT sites, I need to have those up and running. This helps me do it. Very simple to use. Colors, status indicators. You don't need to understand PSI. I could touch any button like I could touch my condenser unit, and I know that it's transferring heat well, so it's clean coil and everything. If the coil gets dirty, I know, because there's an indicator and alert. Same thing with the evaporator coil in my attic. I know if it's starting to get too hot, and that could be very complicated, by the way, and it tells you exactly what the issues might be. You can't beat that. So as a customer, I'm on a level playing field with my technician, and as a technician, I'm providing an excellent service for my customers. And as a service company, if I have a service company and I'm planting these little seeds with all my customers, I have a high retention rate, and I even have a viral product that customers will tell other customers about. And now I have something where I can actually operate my maintenance program strategically. Okay, I know what's wrong at my customer site in advance. I know who to send out. If nothing's wrong, I just send out Johnny, that's, quite frankly, my lowest cost employee, to clean the coils and change the filters out and check the drainage line. It's that simple, and I'm done. And if I'm a DIY customer, I could manage my own system, and then call my technician early in the season, which is key. This system will detect things early in the season, and which is critical because people are then available, and my technicians appreciate that, and I could address those. A lot of things I've been able to address with my own unit. They're just basic corrections, but when it involves refrigerant or something complex, I'll call my technician. But important thing is I have advance notice. I'm Alex Tomas. I'm with Greenpoint. If you've been given a promo code, don't forget to use that when you order, because it gives you special advantages. And you can check us out at greenpoint.me, and go there and order, and feel free to send us an email and ask any questions. But we're a young company. We're constantly improving our product. We live, eat, and breathe this stuff. We're not some big company that the product will never improve and change. We're constantly improving it, and we have plenty more plans. We provide energy use data on here. That's great data. Allows you to. Sorry about that. It enables you to see when you're using energy, so that you can spot issues like with maids, for example, leaving the thermostats up and running at night. You can see it right there. Or if maybe you've got a setting issue or left an override open, I could get down to my diagnostics quickly by clicking there, and I could call my technician quickly by clicking that button, or see instructions or handy information down there. Very, very convenient, and really and truly, I think that it's kind of like cell phones were in the 90s. You thought, people aren't going to be using these things anytime soon, and all of a sudden millions of people were using it. This is where everything is going, is AI driven intelligence, managing of data. It's consistent, thorough, and it's far more thorough than a human. It's on the job 24/7. So you have a very Experienced technician embedded in this unit, constantly watching your system. I'm Alex Tomas. Thanks for watching. Installation is short and sweet, non-invasive, so it doesn't void warranties. It involves 6 sensors. Even a DIY person can do this, or your least experienced technician on troubleshooting. The stack of software interfaces that come with the solution enable you to see quick diagnostics and even get down into the linear detail of the data for troubleshooting. Quick login page view, and then the drill down to the diagnostic view from the unit.